In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recipients to DocuSign even after you've sent your document. This is a super handy skill to learn, especially if you ever find yourself needing to include an additional recipient or make changes to those already involved in your document signing process. We'll guide you through each step so you'll be able to confidently manage your DocuSign agreements. Let's start by heading over to DocuSign, your go-to platform for electronic signatures and agreement management. Open up your web browser and type in docusign.com to visit their homepage. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. Just go ahead and click on the login button. This will bring you to the login page. Enter your credentials to access your DocuSign account. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it, ensuring you can get back to your documents without much hassle. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the DocuSign homepage. This is your central hub for managing all your document-related activities. Locate the Agreements tab. It should be visible in the navigation menu. Click on Agreements to go to the section where all your ongoing contract activities are listed. This is where DocuSign starts to really shine. It organizes everything neatly so you can find the document you're looking for with ease. Now let's say you have a specific document you need to add recipients to. Look for the document in your list. You should see a three-dot icon, which is a useful feature allowing you to access more options related to that document. Click on this icon. It's usually located on the right side of the document name, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Correct. This is where you can make changes such as adding or editing recipients. Clicking Correct opens up the document editing interface. Here you'll be able to add new recipients by typing their email addresses into the designated fields or modify existing ones if there are any changes required. It's as simple as that. Just ensure that the email addresses entered are accurate to avoid any delay in your signing process. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. That's all there is to it. Following these steps will allow you to efficiently manage and update your document recipients well after you've initially sent out your agreements. This flexibility is one of the many benefits of using DocuSign, making it easier to handle any changes that may come up in your signing process. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.